Hello, my name is Gary Wrobel, and this is my National Geographic Educator Certification capstone video. I'm a public high school educator located in Shreveport, Louisiana, a city of about 190,000 people, and the third largest city in Louisiana, after New Orleans and Baton Rouge. Shreveport is located in the northwest corner of the state and is within 30 minutes of both Texas and Arkansas. I teach AP and dual enrollment students in the sciences and research at CE Byrd High School, an urban school of about 1,800 students and one of the oldest public high schools in Louisiana. Outside of classes, I work with students to provide practical solutions to real-world, local, regional, and global problems. This creates a meaningful learning experience in which students can apply what they have learned and develop problem-solving skills that will make them citizens equipped to improve the communities in which they live. For my capstone project, I have focused on the themes of caring for the planet and planning an event in relation to local, regional, and global student hunger and a possible solution to the issue: hydroponics. Hydroponics can be an option for increasing the world food supply, and importantly, it can be a source of fresh produce in locations labeled as a food desert. No, not that kind of a desert. Well, not exactly, at least. A food desert can be anywhere. It's generally thought of as an urban area that does not have access to good quality fresh food. So food deserts exist just about everywhere. And though our cities teem with life and culture, for many they can also be a place of hunger and starvation. Why is hydroponics such a good urban choice then? Well, first of all, no soil is necessary. In fact, you really only need water, oxygen, and some nutrients. So how did I implement a lesson to provide a solution to local, regional, and global hunger while changing student attitudes through curiosity and empowerment? And how did I include the spatial, economic, and ecological aspects of the human and natural world? I wanted the students to see the problems of student hunger at the local, regional, and global scales and become motivated to become ambassadors for hydroponics as one potential solution to this problem. The first thing I did was put my strategy together. My goal was to have the students do outreach to the public elementary or middle schools and to teach younger students how they can grow food without soil and to leave behind a portable classroom hydroponic system. I decided to work with a student group I am an advisor for called Growing for Good, which grows food through traditional methods like greenhouses and farms to donate to local food banks. I put a presentation together via PowerPoint that has all the information I could find on student hunger locally, regionally, and globally. I wanted it to hit home. The PowerPoint could be used as a reference tool and a resource. I taught the students about student hunger at the global, regional, and local scales and suggested that hydroponics is economical. An increasing amount of the produce we buy in grocery stores is hydroponically grown, and it is produced with better yields. These small hydroponic systems also only cost less than $5 to make. It's spatial, it can be grown commercially or in your home, and it's also ecologically safe. There is little to no use of harmful pesticides and little worry about bug infestations. The growth rate of hydroponic plants is 30 to 50% faster than plants grown in the soil under the same conditions and with a greater yield of vegetables or fruit. Simple and inexpensive growing mediums provide extra oxygen to help stimulate root growth. The nutrients mix directly with the water and therefore go directly to the root system. The students were excited. I then taught the students how to make the portable hydroponic farms. I had them utilize styrofoam containers, styrofoam cups, black trash bags as liners for the container, a knife to cut holes for the cups, sphagnum moss, perlite, some hydroponic nutrients, water, and some plant seedlings, or you could use seeds. While the students built the small hydroponic farms, they suggested bringing this presentation to some of the middle school science classes. I was ecstatic. This was exactly what I was hoping for. They wanted to become ambassadors for hydroponics. I told them that this was a great idea, that we should put a plan together. During a follow-on meeting, the students utilized the master PowerPoint to edit, rearrange, and make their own PowerPoints to go out to the schools and deliver their presentations. The students are also planning on conducting a workshop at a local community center to provide resources and teach fellow citizens how they can grow their own fresh foods in an urban environment. They are truly acting as ambassadors of change and eager to share their knowledge and experience. As an educator, I've been overwhelmed by just how successful this is turning out to be and how easy it was to relate local issues and solutions to larger global challenges. As a result of educating students on the attitudes of curiosity and empowerment, they are able to connect local issues with global issues and to provide a positive, active role towards younger children and address the local issue of hunger. We now have plans with the encouragement of our principal and alumni to take hydroponics even further. We are currently in process of converting a large subterranean basement into an 1,152 site hydroponic farm that will provide enough fresh produce to reach every undernourished student in our school district and region. We are truly taking it from a local to a regional level. I do hope you found this capstone video encouraging and insightful. Thank you for watching.